Pretty sure that is the AC stuff. So we don't really want to go deep, but we do have enough room if we do this. I'm thinking we can build a bracket that holds this. So it rests here and then obviously straight. The mechanics of all this is puzzling. I guess they can cut it. I found some things I want, but I guess I take one of these carts. And we load up plywood. Like that. Yep, they cut them. $25 for this piece of wood. Fits in the car this time. This car might be slow, but it's really fun to drive. The car really hugs the road now, and it's fun to drive, even though there's a lot of cabin noise, and because there's absolutely nothing in it, it's super light. I love the way it feels. Bumper is like coming off. You see it? And so windy lately, this is like getting completely mangled on the highway. You can hear it slapping. We're gonna have to fix it better. With the help of people much smarter than me, we've come up with a plan. Instead of trying to build a box and drop the thing in it, we're gonna build a platform. So how the platform's gonna work is we're basically just going to cut the 2x4 some length, and then we'll put the 1/4 inch on top of it. About this high? Yeah. Like Minecraft, right? You just assemble all the stuff in the right spot and it just makes it. Probably don't need one in that if we just connect these two boards, right? So we're gonna have to trim this board just a little bit. We need to figure out how much about we want to trim it. Hold on. Let's say we want to keep the board in between this space here, so that way we can keep this trim and it's not too like intrusive in this area as well. So what we're saying is that's gonna fit so perfectly right there. So maybe we just cut the board this size. Yeah, let's keep this one of these this same size. And we're gonna literally do that. Well, no, because it's gonna need to be lower. So that's not gonna work actually. So 23 inches is here. So let's say 22, because then that gives us an inch of wiggle room so we can shift it about an inch this way. This board is just a little over 23. So yeah, we're gonna be taking off a little over an inch. Well, what do you think? I'm thinking about making like feet like this, and then yeah, they'll sit on this frame here, and then that way we can actually store something in here. What we're going to do is at 3 16 inches, we'll add one of these guys.